Americans are grasping for ways to brace for what the public health officials and experts say is increasingly inevitable, an outbreak of the coronavirus here.
Yeah, pretty scary stuff, but what's the best way to combat it? Eyewitness News reporter Amy Powell is live in Glendale. She's been speaking with doctors to give you a primer on how to properly prepare. Amy.
And Jory, now that more people are being diagnosed with coronavirus here in the U.S., there is understandably a lot of concern about the risk of contracting the virus. Medical experts say for most of us, the risk of contracting coronavirus is fairly low. The elderly, people with compromised immune systems, or multiple medical issues are more likely to become ill if they're exposed to the virus. Also, it is still flu season, and we spoke with an infectious disease specialist who says there's a much greater chance of getting sick with the flu right now than coronavirus. The problem is the flu and coronavirus have similar symptoms. His advice, if you start feeling ill, the first thing to do is isolate yourself. Stay home.
Common symptoms associated with flu include fever, you can get a cough, maybe some respiratory distress, you can get diffuse body aches. And so if you happen to have those symptoms, first thing you do is call your physician. Don't go running to his office just yet, because you don't want to infect other people. Call ahead of time, let them know what you have going on, and that way if you have to come into the office, they can at least isolate you, and that way you don't put other patients at risk.
Dr. Lee says if you can't contact your physician and have to go to an emergency room, you should call ahead if possible so the hospital can make preparations. Now, he also emphasizes that viruses are spread by respiratory droplets. So as we come back out here live, once again, he emphasizes that's why it's so important to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. And of course, wash your hands. That is really an important part of preventing the spread of the virus. Reporting live in Glendale, Amy Powell, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.